Okay, class 8. This is the part 6 video and the last 6 is the last part from direct and inverse relation. Okay. In last video question up to number 9. So today we start from question number 10. So our first question from 10, that's 5 tractors can move a field in 10 days. In how many days can 3 tractors move the same field? First of all, read the question. 5 ट्रैक्टर्स कैन मूव, यानी जुताई करना या ट्रैक्टर से कुछ भी कटाई करना, क्लियर, जो फसल होता है, मूव ऑफ फील्ड इन 10 डेज. 5 ट्रैक्टर्स को टाइम लग रहा है, दैट मींस इन 10 डेज. इन हाउ मेनी डेज कैन 3 ट्रैक्टर्स मूव द सेम फील्ड? ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 5 tractors, our solution is 5 tractors can move a field in 10 days. So 1 tractor can move a field is equals to 10 into 5, because 1 tractor take more days to move a field. Clear? 5 tractors take 10 days, so 1 tractor takes more days, more number of days, that means 50 days. Clear? So 3 tractors can move a field equals to 50 by 3, because 1 tractor takes 50 days, so 3 tractors take less number of days, that's why divided. Again I repeat, 5 tractors move a field in 10 days, so 1 tractor need more days. Okay, so 10 into 5, but in case of 3 tractors is again take less number of days, that's why we divided. Okay, that is 62 by 3 days. Clear? No? Time for question number 11. A girl read 5 hours daily to complete 3 books in 21 days. Full stop. In how many days will she complete 6 books reading 7 hours daily? Okay. A girl reads 5 hours daily to complete 3 books in 21 days. Okay. Girl read 5 hours daily to complete 3 books in 21 days. Here, show she read 5 hours daily to complete one book. When she read 5 hours daily to complete one book, that means she need less number of time. When need less number of time, at that time we divide When it takes more number of time, more time, at that time we multiply. Okay. So 21 upon 3. Because she now read only one book. Okay. Girl read 1 hour to complete one book. 21 upon 3. She shifted from 5 hours to 1 hour. 5 hours to 1 hour. That means what? 5 hours to 1 hour. She need more number of days because firstly she read 5 hours. Now she read 1 hour. That's why she need more number of days to complete the book. Up to here question complete. Now, in how many days will she complete 6 books? Reading 7 hours daily. In how many days will she complete 6 books? Reading 7 hours. So, she read 1 hour to complete 6 books. When she needs 6 books, that means she needs more number of time, more number of days to complete the book. So 21 upon 3 into 5 into 6. Clear? She needs 7 hours daily to complete 6 books. So 1 hour to 7 hours. That means she needs less number of time because firstly she needs 1 hour and now she is 7 hours. So 21 upon 3 into 5 into 6 by 7. 3 3s are 3 3 cancel, that is 5 into 6 is 30 days. Again I repeat, girl read 5 hours daily to complete 3 books in 21 days. So she read 5 hours but for only one book. One book, that means she need less number of days. That's why we divide here. Okay. But she directly shifted 5 hours to 1 hour. 1 hour, that means more number of days she need. That's why multiply here. Okay. Again, girl read 1 hour daily to complete 6 books. That means from 1 book to 6 books. That means she need more number of days. That's why multiply here. Okay. But she now reads 7 hours. 7 hours. 7 hours to complete 6 books. That means less number of time because 1 hour to 7 hours. That means less number of time. That's why divide here. So 7 3 is 21. 3 3 cancel. 5 6 is 30 days. Okay. Question number 12. Raj finishes a piece of work in 5 days while Salim finishes the same piece of work in 2 days. If they work together in how many days will they complete the work? Okay. Question is, Raj finishes a piece of work in 5 days. Okay. So solution: Raj finishes a piece of work in 5 days. So Raj finishes a piece of work in 1 day is equals to 1 by 5. Clear? Salim finishes the same piece of work in 2 days. Salim finishes the same piecework of in 2 days. So Salim finishes the same piece of work in 2 days. So Salim finishes the same piece of work in 1 day is equals to 1/2. Yeah, Salim. Okay. If they work together, if they work together in 1 day, Raj 1 day work, Salim 1 day work. That is 1/5 plus 1/2. That is 10. 2 plus 5, 7/10. So in how many days will they complete their work? They will take to complete the work equals to 10/7. Clear? That is 1 3/7. Clear? No. Now it's time for question number 14. When workers can complete a piece of work in 10 days if 5 more workers join. How long will it take to complete the work? So question is 20 workers can complete a piece of work in 10 days. So solution: 20 workers can complete a piece of work in 10 days. Okay, so one worker can complete a piece of work. 20 workers take 10 days. When only one worker can do this work alone, then how many days? He need more number of days. So it's 10 into 20, because when more into when less it's divided. Okay. So one worker can complete a piece of work equals to 10 into 20 days. Done? Okay. If 5 more workers join, if 5 more workers join, clear? So 5 more workers join, that means what? 20 plus 5, that is 25 workers. 25 workers can complete a piece of work equals to 10 into 20, but this divided by 25, because 25 workers need less number of days, 25. That is 2 into 4 equals to 8 days. Clear? Note. Question number 15, last question. A train of length 440 meter travel at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour. How long will it take to cross a person who is standing at the station? A train of length 440 meter. Train length is 440 meter. That means distance equals to 440 meter. Okay. So how long will it take to cross a person who is standing at the station? And the speed is given 66 kilometer per hour. So from kilometer per hour converted to meter per second, that is what? 5 by 18. That 5 by 18. So this is 6 by 30. This is 330 by 18 meter per second. So how long? Long, that is time. Time formula equals to distance by speed. That is 440 by speed. 330 into 18. So 440 into 18 by 330. 4s are 3, 6. That is 4 6 are 24 seconds. Train takes to what? Cross the platform. Okay. No.